They gon' love me for my ambition. Beautiful music, painting pictures, this be my vision.
Sound from Complex Ambition here, bringing you another sneaker unboxing, review, and reaction. Here today we have another one of these hype shoes. This is the Fear of God Vans. Now these released at PacSun. This time around it was only raffle entry. I won a raffle pretty far from here, but I went to pick it up, you know what I'm saying? $100 retail, can't go wrong with that, with resale at one time being around $600. So this is the white version of him. They call them the Marshmallows because it has that cream marshmallow effect. Here's a box, regular Vans box. You see, it's not just a straight up regular van, even though it's a van. It's a low ski high van. Well, ski low, skate low. And there you have it, man. Fear God. And he has this sort of style on the other Vans, a high top, low top. But these look definitely better. You can pull these off way better, more. The Fear God around everywhere. And the material's kind of like denim-y. So it's like a denim stitch that they did with this. It's more of like a nubuck harder leather. Nubuck harder leather on, I can't even say leather. Jesus. No tagging, no nothing. But then the ends to the laces, man. First of all, look at the sole. The sole has a separate little leather padding. Pretty dope. And the inside it switches up. You can't just screen print this shit on easily, I'll tell you that much. Niggas gotta realize this shit takes time to make. Fear of God. Fear of God. Cream lace, or if you want to wear a white lace, you got both options. So it really comes with 3 laces, you know what I'm saying? Pretty fire shoe. Pretty fire. Shout out to Jerry Lorenzo. When they do these collections with PacSun, it works because it makes it more affordable. Because Fear God tends to be very expensive, from like $1,000 pants, $700 sweatpants, you know what I'm saying, to $500, $600 shoes. But then they do a van, and they work with van, and it makes it more affordable. $100 van, you know what I'm saying? People are willing to buy that more. And then you're able to say you got some Fear God, you know what I'm saying? $100 hoodies, all that stuff. So shout out to him for doing that, man. He definitely understands the vision, and he understands the youth and the value that they put into the clothing and the money in general. More videos like this coming soon, different separate shoes, hype, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, here they fucking are, Fear God Vans. If you guys like them, let me know why. If you don't, let me know why. You know what I'm saying? I'm open to all type of ideas. I understand why people wouldn't like a shoe like this, hard to wear. You know what I'm saying? It's definitely hard to wear. Summertime shoe releasing now, Van. Subscribe. Hit the notification button. More videos coming soon. Sound sneakers. And we out. Thank you. Until next time.